Hello, dear kids. Welcome to your new lesson on math. So, for today, we're going to talk about addition word problems. So, you will have addition word problems for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And then next week, we will start with the subtraction word problems. Okay. So, what are addition word problems, or what is an addition word problem? So, an addition word problem is also an addition problem, but it is not written in numbers. Okay, it is written in words. All right, so there are sentences and there are questions that you have to answer. All right, so let's take a look at this. So we have, okay, let's read all together. So I know that some of you can already read. So if you can read, go ahead and read with me. All right. So if not, you can read after me. Okay. So Belle has 9 pencils. Ariel gave her 5 more pencils. How many pencils does Belle have in all? Okay, so please read that again. Pause the video and read it again. Okay, okay. All right. So if we write it in an addition sentence, we make an addition sentence. It will look like this. Okay, so nine pencils. Okay, 9 is here, and then 5 more pencils, and it's here. Now, guys, if you see the phrase in all or have in all, we are talking about addition. Okay, so have in all, or how many pencils does Belle have now? Then we are talking about addition. Okay, so you will see the difference next week with the last word here if we are going to have the subtraction word problems. All right, so if you see have in all, have now, have all together, or together. Okay, so we are talking about addition, right? So now we have 9 plus 5 equals 14. So if we write it in words, then you would see 9 plus 5 is equal to 14. So you can say is equal to or equals 14. Okay? Both are correct. Don't be confused. Okay. So now, as I've mentioned, so these are some of the words that you need to remember when you are doing addition word problems. Okay, now let's read. So what do you do when you read? What should you do? Look at the words. Okay, yes, if we are in the classroom, you look at the words on the board if they're on the board. Okay, now let's read in all. One more time, in all. All right, so or in all. Okay, next, together. Together. Good. Next word, all together. All together. Okay, have. Have. All right, okay, okie dokie. So when you see these, okay, except for have, when you see these three, okay, it means addition. Okay, we are talking about addition. All right, next. So there are 4 steps that you are going to do when you solve an addition word problem. Okay, so let's read, everybody. Circle the numbers. Again, please, circle the numbers. If you want to practice, as I've said, if you want to practice reading as well, you can pause the video and then you can read on your own and then play if you are ready. Okay, next. Okay, here we go. So hold on, where's my cursor? Okay, circle the numbers. Next, underline. Let's do it again. Underline, this is underline, okay? Underline the question. Underline the question, okay? Question. All right. So next, write an addition sentence. One more time. Write an addition sentence. Are you reading with me? I hope so. Okay, now add the addends and solve the problem. Good. One more time. Add the addends and solve the problem. Okay. Do you remember your addends? Yes? I hope so. Okay. Look at the 1 plus 2 on the left side. So 1 and 2 are your addends. Okay. And the answer, so 1 plus 2 equals 3. So the answer is the sum or the total. All right. Let's practice. Okay. So it says here, okay, let's read the addition problem. So Batai has 5 books. Did you get that? Batai has 5 books. Her teacher gives her 3 more books. So her teacher gives her 3 more books. How many books does she have in all? Okay, remember I told you about in all. When you see in all or in all, it's addition. Okay, step number 1. Circle the numbers. Where are the numbers? We have 5 and 3. Ta-da! Next, underline the question. So underline the question. What is the question? So the question is the sentence that ends in a question mark. Ta-da! Okay, so how many books does she have in all? You get that? So that is the question. Okay, now step number 3, write an addition sentence using the numbers. Okay, so we have 5 plus 3 equals. Okay, now number 4, add the addends and solve the problem. Okay, now guys, 5 plus 3, you can do this. It's 8. There you go. Okay. So the answer is 8. Now we can answer. So how many books does she have in all? So we can say Batai has 8 books in all. Okay. Got it? Yes. Okay. You just need to practice reading, guys. Okay, because you cannot solve addition word problems and subtraction word problems if you cannot read. Okay, I know that some of you can read, but for those who cannot read very well yet, please, please, please practice. Okay, now let's go to the next one. So let's practice more. Okay, let's have number 1. Let's have number 1. So Sarah has 3 dogs and 4 cats. Did you get that? Sarah has 3 dogs and 4 cats. How many pets does she have? How many pets does she have? Okay. Now the first step is circle the what? Circle the numbers. Good. Okay. So numbers 3 and 4. Again, guys, as always, if you want to answer this on your own, and you can do that, then you can pause the video. So if you're done with your answer, then you can play the video again. Yes. So after circling the numbers, then we go to underline the question. So what is the sentence that ends in a question mark? Okay, let's have how many pets does she have? So what are pets? So pets are animals that live with you, okay? So you take care of these animals. So what are examples of pets. We have the dogs, we have cats, we have rabbits or bunnies, we have snake, we have a parrot or birds. Okay, some have tigers. All right, anyway, now write an addition sentence, correct? So let's write, okay, so 3 plus 4 equals, okay, so that's your addition sentence. Now add 3 plus 7. Oh, sorry, 3 plus 7. 3 plus 4 equals, dun, 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 dun. Yes, 7. There you go. So let's write 7 over here. Now we can say Sarah has 7 pets. Okay? Did you get that? All right. So try answering 2, 3, and 4. Pause the video first. And when you're ready, then you can play the video again. Okay? All right. Pause in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause the video. Okay. All right. So welcome back. Now let's answer. Okay. Let's read the problem number 2. Jack has 2 friends. Okay. Jack has 2 friends. He wants to give 5 stickers to each of them. Okay. How many stickers would he need? Okay. So 2 friends, guys. So 2 friends. This is a little tricky. Okay. This is a little tricky, but I know you will be able to answer this. Okay. So he has 2 friends. Remember, he has 2 friends. Now let's circle 5 over here. Okay, so he wants to give 5 stickers each to his 2 friends. Do you understand? So one friend will get 5 stickers and the other friend will get 5 stickers. Okay, so one friend 5 stickers, another friend 5 stickers. All right, so now, and let's underline the question. So how many stickers would he need? Sorry, that's supposed to be would he need? Okay, how many stickers would he need? All right, now, as we've said earlier, so 5 stickers for one friend. So 2 friends, so one friend, 5 stickers, another friend, 5 stickers. So 5 plus 5 equals, what's your answer? 10, of course. Okay, so let's write 10 here. So Jack would need 10 stickers for his 2 friends. Okay, nice one. Okay, let's go to number 3. So let's read. Okay, let's read. Where's my cursor? Okay, Tim gave 6 flowers to the teacher. One more time. Tim gave 6 flowers to the teacher. Sally gave 3 and Joe gave 2 to the teacher. Are you following? How many flowers does the teacher have? Okay, so first thing, circle the numbers. Circle the numbers. You have a lot of numbers here. Okay, let's have 6. Let's have 3. And we have 2. There you go. Okay, now underline the question. How many flowers does the teacher have? Okay, so the next one is write an addition sentence. Okay, let's write all of the numbers. 6 plus 3 plus 2 equals, you see them? So you might say, where did those numbers come from? Okay, so we have 6, 3, and 2. Got it? Okay, now add the numbers. How many do we have now? Okay, we have, we have 11. There you go. Okay, where is my cursor? Okay, so we have 11. All right, so now let's write 11 here. So the teacher has 11 flowers. Okay, so the teacher has 11 flowers. Okay, all right, so you're doing good. Number 4, let's have Jerry is standing in a queue. Guys, let's read this one. Queue. Okay, good. A queue is also a line. So there's a when you are lining up for lunch, so you form a line, right? So you form a queue. So you stand behind another classmate. All right. So there are 2 children in front of him and 3 behind him. Okay, so let's go back. So 2 children in front and 3 children at the back. Got it? So behind meaning at the back. Okay, so 2 children in front of him and 3 children behind him. Now let's read the question. So how many children are there in the queue? Okay. Oh, this is tricky. Okay. Now, now let's have, I'm gonna change it to red again. Sorry. Okay. Circle the numbers first. Circle the numbers, okay? 2 and where's 3? 2 and 3. Okay, now underline the question. How many children are there in the queue? Okay, now write an addition sentence. So oh, we have 2. I'm sorry, guys. I keep losing my cursor. Okay, plus 3. Okay, that's it. 2 plus 3? Yes? Are you sure? The question is, how many children are there in the queue? Remember, there are 2 children in front of Jerry and 3 behind Jerry, right? Okay, so you only add you only added the 2 and the 3 behind Jerry. Okay, remember Jerry is in the queue. Jerry is in the queue, not just the 2 children in front of him and the 3 children behind him, right? So that would be 2 plus 3 plus Jerry, that is 1 equals, okay, teacher, you're trying to trick us. Oh, I'm not. Okay, all right, now let's count. Okay, so let's do it. So 2 plus 3 plus 1 equals? Okay, so the answer is 6. Okay, so let's write 6 here. So we can say then that there are 6 children in the queue. Okay, did you get everything correctly? I hope so. Okay. All right, so for this one, guys, please do this in your notebooks. And then take a picture, and then that is the one that you upload on your on the class dojo. Okay, nothing else. So for these activities, as I've told you last week, you don't have to upload them to the class dojo because I'm going to check them when you get back. Okay, all right, but for this one, please do this on your notebooks, on your math notebooks, and then take a picture and send it to your class dojo. Okay? All right, so that's all for math. And please stretch. So for every hour, for every 50 minutes that you study, please stand up and stretch and drink water. Okay? And then please do the activity on page 7 of your activity booklet. Okay? So if you have questions, please send me a message. You can always send a message here on the class dojo. Okay? All right. All right, I'll see you later.